Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with Lilyan's lace square. This is a very beautiful granny square pattern and it is worked with DCs in the center. Let us go into the video without much wastage of time. To begin, chain 6 and join with a slip stitch, or you can make a magic circle also. Then pull up a loop, and I'm going to make my first double crochet here. This is my first double crochet, and let me place my stitch marker in that behind the two loops so that I don't have any difficulty in picking up the stitch when I come back. So this will go and hide itself in the side. That is the problem with this first DC. Yeah. Make 15 more double crochets in the ring. I shall also make 15 more double crochets. Totally I require 16. So with this we need 16 double crochets. Make the required number of double crochets and get back. I have made the 15 DCs. Remove this and slip stitch and join to the very first DC here. You can do the normal slip stitch. So chain 3 or pull up and make a double crochet. Sorry, just make a loop. Chain 2, 1 double crochet in the next next DC. Chain 2, 1 double crochet in the next DC. So continue placing 1 DC in each of the DCs with chain 2 spacing between them. So you'll be having, so you'll have 16 DCs and 16 chain 2 spaces. Complete the DCs and chain 2 spaces. I shall get back. We've come to the end of this round here. So instead of making chain 2 and slip stitching, chain 1 and make a single crochet in the very first stitch here, third chain of the 3 chain, or on the top of the DC that we make, so that you bring the stitch to the center of the chain. Rows 3, 4 and 5 are the repeat, rounds 3, 4, 5 are the repeat rounds. So pull up the yarn, make a double crochet, one more double crochet in the chain 2 space here. This is the first half corner done. Chain 2, single crochet in the next chain 2 space, chain 2, single crochet in the next chain 2 space, chain 2, single crochet in the next chain 2 space. Now chain 2, make the next corner 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets. So continue the stitch pattern all around on all the other 3 sides. I shall meet you at the end of this round here. We've come to the end of this round here. So place 2 doubles in the first corner. We did only the half corner there. Sorry, it's become too loose. 1 double, the second double, chain 1 and place a half double in the first DC that we made, or the third chain of the 3 chain if you have made the third chain, 3 chains. So again, round 4, either chain 3 and begin, or pull up, make a double crochet, standing double crochet, one more double crochet in the same space, chain 2, single crochet under this, chain 2 space, chain 2, single crochet in the next chain 2 space, chain 2, single crochet in the next chain 2 space, chain 2, single crochet in the next chain 2 space, chain 2, make the corner, 2 doubles, chain 3, 2 doubles. So continue this stitch pattern on all the other 3 sides. I shall get back to you in the beginning of this 4th round or at the end of this round here. Come to the end of round 4 here. So chain 2 and make 2 doubles in the first corner. Chain 1 and a DC in the first stitch. Sorry, not DC, HDC. So 1 chain and HDC amounts to 3 chains. Now again make the first, this is round 5, so this is a pattern repeat round. So 1 DC or chain 3 and 2 more DCs. Chain 1, 2 DC under the chain 2 space, chain 1, 2 DC under next chain 2 space. Continue this stitch repeat till the next corner. I shall meet you at this corner. I have come to the corner here. This is the first corner half done. This is the second corner. I am going to complete fully. So 3 doubles and chain 3, 3 doubles. Round 5, 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles in the corners. My hold is too delicate and loose, that's why it keeps slipping. My God, yeah. So repeat the stitch pattern on the other 3 sides. I shall meet you where I began. Come to the end of the round here, round 5. So I chain 1, 3 doubles to complete the first corner. Chain 3, slip stitch and join to the very first stitch. So you may pull it from behind. I am not going to do the invisible join because it's a chain here. I'll just pull it from behind and fasten it. Make a knot like this. So there you go. Here is the Lilyan lace granny square. So if you may block it if you feel so. So thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you liked this stitch. Rounds 3, 4 and 5. The instructions for rounds 3, 4 and 5 can be repeated n number of times to make your square larger or to the size that you require. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. We have already launched 1 stitch per day for 365 days. So this is actually the 160th day. This is a 160th stitch that we are showed in this video. Thank you friends. Have a great day. Bye for now.